Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both the Google Home app and the device. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use. Once done, confirm your phone and the new gadget are on the same Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth is on for discovery. Power up the device and put it in pairing mode so Google Home can detect it. This step speeds discovery and prevents conflicts between multiple accounts or networks, which is why we start here immediately. Now open the Google Home app and tap the plus sign, then set up device and new devices in your home. This triggers the discovery flow. You'll select the home and wait while Google scans. When it finds your device, tap it to start pairing. Follow the prompts to assign a room, pick the Wi-Fi network, and grant any necessary permissions like location or Bluetooth, because those let Google Home manage the device reliably. If firmware updates appear, install them to ensure compatibility. Finish by testing basic controls through voice or the app so you confirm the device responds. If the device needs a third-party account, link it now and use the same email to avoid permission issues. Once configured, make sure schedules or automations behave as expected. If something goes wrong, first reboot the device and router, then rejoin Wi-Fi. If problems persist, factory reset the device and repeat setup. This stepwise approach isolates network, account, and device faults so you can fix the issue efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.